Welcome to Cesare Lamraso, your ultimate guide to mastering crime detection and investigation. In this video, we'll cover essential review questions to enhance your legal knowledge. Crime detection and investigation. 10 review questions, set 7a. Are you ready to test your skills and excel in your exams? Subscribe now for more law-related review content. Follow justice and justice alone, so that you may live and possess the land the Lord your God is giving you. Deuteronomy 16:20. Welcome to our comprehensive review session. In this video, we'll be tackling a series of multiple-choice test questions to help you prepare effectively for your upcoming exam. Stay focused, take notes, and let's work through each question together to strengthen your understanding and boost your confidence. Let's begin our review. Directions: read each item carefully. Select the letter of the best answer from the choices given. Uses of physical evidence, except A. Determine the cause of crime. B. Reconstruct the crime. C. Identify the participants. D. Confirm or discredit an alibi. In order to introduce physical evidence in trial, 3 important factors may be considered, except A. The article must be properly identified. B. Continuity or chain of custody. C. Legality of the procurement. D. Competency must be proved, that the evidence is material and relevant. Evidence of violence characterized by the removal of the superficial epithelial layer of the skin brought about by the friction against a hard rough surface. A. Contusion. B. Patterned wound. C. Abrasions. D. Hematoma. You are a police officer responding to a crime which there is a dying person. You will obtain dying declaration from him. Which of the following is not one of your duties in regard to dying declaration? A. Observe the victim as to whether he is manifesting a feeling of his impending death. B. Observe carefully the mental condition of the victim and jot down immediately his statements. C. Attempt to save the life of the victim. D. Avoid leading questions and produce the statement. Statement number 1: admissibility of dying declaration is not dependent on their being made in any particular form. Statement number 2: dying declaration has no definite form required and need not be under oath. A. Statement number 1 is true. B. Statement number 2 is false. C. Statements number 1 and 2 are both true. D. Statements number 1 and 2 are both false. Before the dead body is removed from the crime scene, the investigator must be sure that the following had already been performed. 1. Crime scene search, sketch, and photograph taken. 2. Possible witnesses are identified, leads taken into considerations and relative position of the body was determined. 3. Notes are properly taken cared, evidence are identified, collected, and preserved. 4. Close coordination between the medico-legal officer, the prosecutor, and the homicide investigator was established. A1 and 4. B2 and 3. C1, 2, and 3. D1, 2, 3, and 4. Rape by sexual assault, except A. Inserting penis into another person's mouth. B. Inserting penis into another person's anal orifice. C. Inserting penis while the woman is sleeping. D. Inserting any instrument or object into the genital or anal orifice of another person. Post-mortem change that is characterized by the discoloration of the body after death. A. Livor mortis. B. Algor mortis. C. Rigor mortis. D. All of the above. What injury would a person sustain if hit in the head with a hard object? A. Lacerated wound. B. Hematoma. C. Incised wound. D. Abrasions. This is the Anti-Sexual Harassment Act of 1995. ARA 8049. BRA 8505. CRA 7877. DRA 6235. After completing the practice test, let's review your answers using the provided answer key. How is your score based on the answer key? If your correct answers are more than half of the total number of questions, great job. If you did not reach more than half, you may review this video and take another round of the practice test. I can do all things through Christ which strengthened me. Philippians 4:13. This verse emphasizes faith, perseverance, and reliance on God's strength in all aspects of life, including challenges in law, justice, and moral decision-making. It serves as a reminder that with Christ's guidance, we can overcome obstacles, pursue righteousness, and uphold justice with integrity. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more educational content. See you in the next video.